Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're in Incognito. First, turn it off so YouTube can show your signed-in settings. Tap the profile or Incognito icon and select Turn off Incognito. Once done, make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to manage. This lets you remove any stored watch or search records tied to that account. Don't skip this. Incognito prevents local history, but account activity needs account access. Now open Library or Settings to begin clearing history and search activity. Now remove the records. On mobile, tap Library, then History. On desktop, use the History tab. Click the three-dot menu or Settings and choose Clear Watch History, then Clear Search History. This deletes items tied to your Google account. For more control, go to your Google account's Data and Privacy section, find YouTube History, and pause or delete activity for specific dates or all time. That step ensures recommendations and search suggestions are reset. Make sure to confirm prompts so deletions come. Finish by signing out and restarting YouTube to apply changes. This refreshes recommendations. If you used a browser, clear cookies and cache or simply close the private window. Private mode doesn't leave history, but cookies can affect suggestions. If deleted items still appear, open Google My Activity, filter by YouTube, and remove specific entries or entire date ranges. If problems continue, sign out of all devices and repeat deletions from the primary account. That resolves lingering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.